Okay, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I was surprised he offered the draw, and then I offered the draw in return. So he offered the draw first, and I don't know. I don't know why. Okay, maybe. Yeah. As I say, let's go on. Let's try and have a fighting game and not be a chicken. Doesn't matter who I'm playing next. I'm not going to be a chicken. Let's just let's have a fighting game. Okay. I mean, it looks good with knight b5. If he ever takes, you know, I've got pressure on a5 here. It does look good. Can black try and arrange counterplay with g5 though? If I ever play f4, I'm weakening e5. Possibly f4 is possible. If I don't play for f4 to stop g5, can he not just play for g5 anyway? Okay. What? What is this? Ah, this is a contrast. This game. Okay. Some sort of weird gambit. Okay. I got that pressure on d5, maybe knight f4, rook e1 check soon. If I play f3 here, is that not too bad? Bishop e3, maybe bishop f2. Okay, so I'm playing knight f4 and knight f4. There's a certain amount of pressure on black's position on d5 on the e file. It's a very committal play. Okay. Yeah, I think more of the other game would have been much more interesting than this. I regret that now, I must admit. I think I was just shocked he offered the draw. Maybe, I mean, he could have offered the draw just because he knew I was a YouTuber or something. So I think I've got to play on next time. That's terrible. How could I do that? So anyway, bishop takes f5 or knight takes f5. Knight takes h5 for g4 or something. Bishop takes f5, queen f5, knight h5. Then there's g4 there. That might be interesting. G4 there. Knight h5 for g4. What would he do there? So g4. We can castle queenside, knight g3, queen h7, h3. What about just g4 actually if he castles queenside? Just leave the knight as a blocker on the h file. Okay, if I leave that as a blocker. There's also bishop g3 to consider here. Bishop G3 is a nice place for that bishop. And then, okay, there's attacking kind of prospects. I'm protecting H2 as well, so just maybe Queen E2 to B5. Okay, he's going to play F4. It'd be nice to leave that bishop on that dangerous diagonal. Queen E2, F4, Queen E6. It looks dangerous anyway, so I'm going to play this. I mean, if I have to play Bishop F2, is it a big deal?
Check.
Okay. Knight F6 is also, I mean, possible attacking the Queen for Knight D7 maybe. Or just Bishop F2. Okay, we'll just go with Bishop F2. Mind you, Queen C2. Okay. I'll play Rook B5 for just doubling up rooks here. Drop all my pawns at this rate. What if I just double? I'm prepared to double. Queen C6 is possible here. 2 knights for the rook, then rook E8, that was dangerous. Maybe. I'll go for it anyway. I might just rook B1 here. So I'm threatening mate. Oh, finally. Knight F6. Or is it the free rook? Yeah, I think it's better to have played the other game rather than win this empty victory here. Sorry. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.